guys, welcome back to my channel and this is yet another vlog. So आज का vlog हम हिंदी में करेंगे because most of my audience like बहुत सारी मेरी audience है जो चाहती है कि मैं हिंदी में बात करूँ. तो yes, तो मैं हम both हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में बात करेंगे. So आज का vlog बहुत खास है because in next 15 minutes exactly मैं 22 years की होने वाली हूँ. Yes, it's my birthday night. It's 15 July and 12 बजते ही 16 July आ जाएगा and that's my birthday. So I am excited like हर साल की तरह this year birthdays won't be uh, like before, like पहले ऐसे birthdays नहीं रहेंगे, but it's okay, we gotta do what we gotta do. So yeah, I just got ready like very basic guys, very basic. I just tinted moisturizer, like a nude lipstick. I always do my brows and a little bit of blush and mascara, if you can see. Yeah, so I got this mascara yesterday in my fab bag and it's a really good mascara, like it's from Sugar. I will gonna share a vlog or a review on the products I received because I have got a lot of products this month. मैंने बहुत shopping करी है, like बहुत ज़्यादा shopping करी है and I'm bankrupt, I would say, almost. Yeah, so I'll see you in next 15 minutes and I'll show you like my best friend Vatan. उसने मुझे like my best friend Vatan, he has sent me a cake for my birthday and that cake I have not seen. He made sure, उसने मुझे बोला है कि तू नहीं खोलेगी जब तक 12 नहीं बजेंगे. सो आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग कि 12 जल्दी बजे और मैं केक को खोलूँ बिकॉज वो इतनी बड़ी पैकेजिंग में आया है एंड आई वाज लाइक ओह माय गॉड, इसमें तो कुछ अच्छा होगा, बहुत अच्छा खाने को मिलेगा. Yeah, that being said, my brother and bhabhi is coming, so I'm also expecting them and we're gonna cut the cake and we're gonna be doing a very normal लॉकडाउन बर्थडे बिकॉज एक्साइटमेंट है, बहुत ज़्यादा है. आई एम बट दिस विल बी लाइक एनी यूजुअल डे. कल मैं ऑफिस जाऊँगी एंड things will be just like the same as always. So yeah, I will take you guys along and I will film everything I do tomorrow, today, how we cut the cake, how does the cakes look. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. गाइस वेलकम बैक. आई जस्ट मैंने अभी अपना केक काटा है एंड आई एम सो सॉरी मैं व्लॉग नहीं कर पाई बिकॉज मैं अपने मेरे फ़ोन में बहुत फ़ोन्स आ रहे थे फ्रेंड्स के एंड आई रियली वांट माय फ्रेंड्स टू बी पार्ट ऑफ द सेलिब्रेशन. सो मैंने उनका कॉल पिक किया एंड वी वर ऑन अ वीडियो कॉल. वी ऑल वर माई फैमिली वर. So I'll just introduce to my family. That's my bhabhi and that's my mom. She is working because that's her working hours, but no worries, she's free tomorrow, right? You're free tomorrow, so we will be having a lot of fun tomorrow. हमने गाना डिसाइड करके रखा है, चढ़ती जवानी कांटा लगा एंड पिया पिया. so हम लोग एक स्टार परफॉर्मेंस देने वाले हैं, तो keep updated for that. And also these are the cakes which I got on my birthday. This little one, not a little one actually, this is one of the best cakes I have received. So this is given by my best friend Vatan and he sent this as a surprise. I really appreciate the fact that he knows that makeup is something I really adore, like MAC, LV. And LV to like it's like a dream one day for sure, LV. But MAC and Forever 21 and the eyeshadow palettes, like everything is so pretty guys. Like the bow you can see here, really loved it. And this one is brought by my bhabhi. It's a cake with a heart and that's my heart, right? So yeah, we just cut the cakes and now we're gonna have dinner. And tomorrow I am going to office. Usual day, कोई मतलब कुछ ऐसा नहीं है कि ऑफिस स्किप करना चाहिए. I thought जाना चाहिए. So yeah, मैं कल ऑफिस जाऊँगी एंड मैं पूरा दिन ब्लॉग करने वाली हूँ. So guys, keep stay tuned for everything I do on my birthday. Also, this T-shirt is handmade by my bhabhi. It says Happy Birthday Adu. Adu है ना? मतलब हाँ, it says Happy Birthday Adu. मतलब कितना awkward लग रहा है पेट दिखाने में. Yeah, so this is how it looks. This is very pretty. Like I really love the T-shirt and like the vibe. I'm very excited, guys. I can't tell you. So stay tuned for tomorrow. I'll be wearing good glamorous dresses with a lot of makeup and shoes and everything will be Guys, so I just got done with my birthday cake and everything. I'm so tired right now. It's almost 2 p.m. I have a office tomorrow morning at 6:30. I have to be there. So yeah, I'm just gonna call it a night and I will see you guys tomorrow with all the things I do. And it's my 22nd birthday. I'm very excited and I look forward to sharing everything with you guys. Morning, so I just reached my office and बहुत सुबह हो रही है. It's like 7:40ish maybe, yeah. So I am very much sleepy, plus I tried to do very glowy and nudish makeup look for the day. I'm wearing this dress which my mom gifted. I will share pictures of this dress later, and this is the makeup I did. Very simple. I'm not wearing any liner also because of lot of reasons. I really don't want it, I really don't want कि बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाए and office भी है. So yeah, I will gonna vlog everything I do today, so keep on watching. Now what is the time right now?
4:54.
4:54, so it's almost 5 and I just got done with office a few minutes back. So someone picked me up. Do you want to say hi?
Hi.
Hi. Hi guys, so hello. These two are my friends. One is my best friend, everybody knows him, and the second one is also my friend, Ankit and Vatan. So yeah, we are here to pick our friend. Her name is Priya, and there she is, looking like a doll. Horn मार. Horn वही है, horn मार.
अंदर कौन जा रही है यार? फ्रॉक से में तो वही लग रही छोटी सी. वही वाइट से वही.
Guys, तुम vlog में आ रहे हो.
तो हो जाए.
Okay. By the way, I'm wearing a mask. बस मैंने vlog के लिए हटाया है. I know safety is important. So yeah, it's fine.
पीछे का गाना चला दे. चल
I think she went back to take her mask. वो mask लाना भूल गई थी.
वीडियो बना रही है?
हाँ. क्यों?
कुछ नहीं.
अच्छा. Guys, wish me happy birthday.
Happy birthday to
पीछे
me.
देखकर.
हैप्पी बर्थडे अदिति.
मास्क हटा लो यार.
अरे नहीं भाई, बंडा सा आ रहा हूं मैं सोसाइटी में भाई. इसमें वो के दे बोले तब बोलूंगा हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. नहीं बस रोज रेड वाला. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू.
थैंक यू, बट ये किसी और ने दिया है.
कांटे लग गए मेरे हाथ में. झूठ बोले कांटे लग गए.
By the way, this book is given by one of my friend from office.
Vicky Cartos.
No.
Rajput.
Yeah, this is really a pretty bouquet, guys. I really love the flowers. The roses
You don't love who is given to you.
sunflower है and yeah, that's all about it.
But you are not who is given to
Like मुझे बहुत कम ही flowers मिलते हैं बर्थडे पे because वैसा कुछ है नहीं. Like I don't have a partner or something. It's just that I have a lot of friends and वो friends मुझे gifts देते हैं, दारू वारू and stuff like that. So yeah. Right. So let's wait for her to come. मतलब वो अपना शायद mask भूल गई है. So she's coming with her mask. Then I'll show you guys all my friends. Hi.
Hi guys! I'm Aditi.
And I'm Aditi.
I'm Ishita. I'm just kidding.
So-
I am Priya. I'm just helping my friend to vlog out for her birthday.
Yay.
And it's her sister.
It's my birthday.
It's Ishita. Sorry, मैं नाम भूल
It's
गई.
our sister. Oh, sorry.
So current situation is right now I just got ready. So this is the makeup I chose for the day. And lashes, some hair curls. This is what I'm wearing. It's a jumpsuit cum dress. Yes. So let me know how you guys like my makeup. I'm gonna show you guys the decoration my family did for me. Bye-bye. That's for me. Happy birthday. That's how they decorated the whole house. Hi, Masi.
I'm another year older.
Now my makeup is looking
I won't cry about you anymore. Told my friends to come over to dye my hair. It's not even the weekend, and I'm wearing that dress I can't afford. Giving life a new meaning without you there. Do some stupid shit, maybe get a tattoo. Whatever I can do to get my mind off you. It's my birthday. I'ma do what I like. I'ma eat what I like. I'ma kiss who I like. It's my birthday. I'ma do what I like. I'ma wear what I like. I'ma party tonight. Goddamn, it's my birthday. Everybody love me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Look at me and give me money. Damn, it's my birthday. Everybody love me. And I ain't thinking about you. It's my birthday. I blow out all the candles. I can't even afford my rent. So I'm not buying the drinks, cause I'ma leave that to my friends. Yeah, running up with everybody you know. Yeah, that's what I do. That's what I do. Yeah, whatever I can do to get my mind off you. That's what I do. That's what I do. It's my birthday. I'ma do what I like.
लाया है बहार अपनों का प्यार क्या कहना मिले हम झलक उठा खुशी का खुमार क्या कहना खिले खिले खिलनों से आ घर है मेरा गुलजार क्या कहना खिले खिले तेरे रसिया मन घर है मेरा गुलजार क्या कहना.
नींद टूट जाती है, चैन भी खोता है. शर्म सी आती है.
Guys, good morning. So this is 17th July. I forgot to end the vlog last night. Like we had so many drinks and I was so tired that I could not end the vlog. So I'm also carrying this champagne, like a foil champagne, which I really adore. I like hugging it. Yeah, so I just wanted to, you know, come here quickly and say thank you so much for watching the whole vlog. I hope you guys like the vlog. I tried, you know, to mention everything. My life is really simple in comparison with other people what I believe, but my family and friends are crazy. So yeah, they make the most out of my life. So I'm so happy and blessed to have a, you know, family and friends like mine. So thank you so much for watching the vlog, and if you really like it, please give it a thumbs up. Also comment if you want, you know, anything you want me to do, any sort of video. I'd be happy to do that. Also I'll be showing you what showing you guys in my next video what all I got on my birthday, what I got as gifts, and what I gave myself as present, because I always make sure to present something on my birthday to me, because self-love is everything, guys. You have to first love yourself, then you'll be able to love anyone else. That's what I think. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it. Thumbs up if you really like the video, comment if you want, and also subscribe to my channel. It will mean the world to me. Until then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.